Ever spent hours wrestling with data trying to build a simple report only to realize half the data is missing, incorrect, or spread across multiple systems that you don't have access to? You try to piece everything together manually, pulling data from spreadsheets, all databases, and random reports into your data warehouse, but nothing quite matches up and you are still far away from a working SQL query. And by the time you've fixed all the inconsistencies, the report is already outdated or just not required. That's the nightmare of reporting without data modeling. But what if I told you there is a way to make reporting faster, more accurate, and even self-service for business users? So you as an analyst act like a brain, like a central person, not like the hands doing all the dirty work. Hey there, I'm Yevgen from OVAX. On this channel, we speak all things about analytics, data, reporting, spreadsheets, warehouses, and all sorts of data manipulation. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how data modeling transforms business reporting, making it easier for both data teams and decision makers and the entire business to get reliable insights without spending hours finding messy data. So, stick around because this is a game changer that you've been looking for. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this OVAX Bay YouTube channel and enable notifications so you don't miss future videos packed with analytics and reporting tips. Alright, with this being said, let's get started. Have you ever tried cooking in a messy kitchen? You spend more time searching for ingredients than actually making the meal. Frustrating, right? Now, think of reporting the same way. Without a structured data model, every time you need a report, you are digging through tables, spreadsheets, and multiple sources again and again, trying to piece everything together manually. That's where data modeling comes in and helps fix this. Data modeling is like setting up a well-organized kitchen. Every ingredient or data point, a metric, has its place, making it quick and easy to find what you need when you need it. And here's the key message for 2025. Data modeling isn't just for data engineers. This is very important. While engineers design the architecture of the data warehouse, data analysts use that data modeling to structure data for reporting, and business users can then self-serve the model data to get the reports they need, using simple language without writing SQL. You get my point, yes? A well-built data model means no more digging through raw data every time you build a report, no more constantly asking the data team to help to tweak existing reports, and a faster, easier, and more reliable way to generate reports to answer specific business questions. Want a deeper dive into what data modeling is and how it works? Check out my previous video right here. Now, let's look at how data modeling actually solves business reporting problems in specific, from self-service analytics to data consistency and speeding up report generation, and we'll talk about all this in very specific, niched use cases. As I said, data modeling isn't just a technical concept. It's a game changer for business reporting. It removes analytics bottlenecks, makes analysts a central piece of the whole reporting process, improves data accuracy, and empowers business users to get insights faster, to utilize more of the long-tail data that never got to their reports. So let's break it down. Number one, without a structured data model, business teams rely on data analysts to manually pull data every time they need a report. Need to compare revenue across regions? Need a quick customer churn analysis? Need to track ad spend versus conversions? Each request adds more work for analysts, slowing everything down. With a well-built data model, on the other hand, business users can self-serve, pulling insights on demand without waiting for IT. The key? Data modeling structures data in a way that makes sense to non-technical users, allowing them to query data without writing SQL, with natural language. Number two, we all know that messy and inconsistent data leads to bad decisions. Duplicates, conflicting records, missing values. A structured data model fixes this by enforcing integrity, standardized definitions. Everyone uses the same metrics, avoiding confusion. No more duplicates, ensuring metric values consistency across all reports. Stronger data governance. Analysts control what gets used and how it gets used and prevent misinterpretation. With trusted, clean, and modeled data, reports become more reliable and decisions become more accurate. Number 3. Look, modern business juggle tons of data sources. Google Analytics for the website traffic, BigQuery or another data warehouse. Traditional databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL for transactional data. Spreadsheets. Without modeling, each source speaks a different language, making it painful to unify reports. Data modeling standardizes everything, ensuring that Google Analytics data, CRM data, corporate data are all mapped into a single structure. This means that when you build reports, you can mix and match data effortlessly without worrying about mismatches, inconsistent metrics with different names, or incorrect joins, because all that is handled when building or setting up the data model. Number 4. Slow queries. Well, old BI dashboard takes forever to load. That's because of using raw, unstructured data every time you need to pull data from it. But that isn't optimized for reporting. A good data model pre-organizes data, transforms that on a schedule into the format that is suitable to run queries faster, reports update instantly, and enables reports basically to be ready in seconds, not minutes or hours. No more waiting for calculations to process data. When you have the model that is tailored to your business, reports just work. Number 5, and the most important one. Data shouldn't be numbers on the screen. It should answer real business questions, right? So a strong data model ensures that KPIs match business objectives, not just raw data dumps. Reports are built around real business needs, not just what data is available. Business users can see insights that drive action, not just generic reports. The bottom line is this: data modeling is not just a technical step, it's the foundation of better, faster, and more reliable reporting. Now, let's see data modeling in action with a real-world example, a retail company struggling with inventory management. Like many businesses, this retailer had data scattered across multiple systems, warehouse databases for stock levels, point-of-sale systems for sale transactions, and the cherry on top, spreadsheets to manually track inventory. Each system used different formats, labels, and structures, making it nearly impossible to generate a consistent real-time inventory report. The result? Conflicting reports, out-of-stock surprises, and lost sales. By implementing a structured data model, by moving all the data into the data warehouse, this retailer unified its product, sales, and store data into a single organized model. Standardized product definitions, no more discrepancies between SKU 123 and product 123. Automated stock tracking because sale transactions instantly update the stock levels. When I say instantly, it's like once a day. Improved demand forecasting. Now it's easy to predict low stock items before they become an issue, not after. The result? Faster, automated stock prediction. Fewer out-of-stock issues, meaning more sales. Accurate, real-time reporting instead of manual data cleaning. I hope you can see the real power now. If yes, check out the link in the description to this video and get started now with a set of pre-built industry-specific templates completely free. But if you're not ready yet, let's explore another data modeling example in action. A financial institution was struggling with fraud detection. They collected transaction data from banking system, the customer payments and wire transfers, credit card networks with transaction history, user authentication logs with login attempts and device usage. Because those systems weren't integrated, Fraud analysts had to manually compare data across different platforms, often missing on time or just patterns of fraudulent activity. By applying data modeling techniques, the bank connected all these data sources into a single fraud detection model within their data warehouse. User transactions are now linked to device and location history by session ID. Transaction anomalies are being analyzed in real time. Automated alerts flag suspicious activity, reducing human review time. The result? Faster fraud detection, meaning fewer chargebacks and financial losses. Better customer security, meaning fraudulent transactions are being blocked in real time. Reduced manual workload, meaning analysts focus on complex cases instead of chasing false positives. If even this is not enough to buy in data modeling, then I want to share with you another example: e-commerce platform optimizing personalized recommendations. A large retailer wanted to personalize shopping experience, but their recommendation engine was outdated. Browsing history wasn't linked to purchasing behavior. Product reviews weren't factored into recommendations. Marketing emails suggested random products instead of personalized ones based on activity. This led to lower engagement, poor customer retention, and basically lost revenue opportunities. By implementing a structured data model, the company was able to link customer purchase history, browsing data, and reviews, improve product recommendation based on user behavior patterns, personalize email and website suggestions dynamically. The result? Increased conversion rates, meaning more relevant product suggestions, meaning more purchases, meaning more revenue. Better email engagement because customers received offers tailored to their interests. And finally, higher customer retention because personalized shopping experience increased loyalty. So without using data modeling, businesses struggle with fragmented, slow, and error-prone reporting. With a well-structured data model, data becomes unified, automated, and business-driven, giving teams the power to make faster, more informed decisions. And there we have it. We've explored how data modeling transforms business reporting, from speeding up reports to ensuring data accuracy and enabling self-service analytics for business users. The takeaway? A data model doesn't just make reporting easier, it makes it faster, more reliable, and more actionable. And this brings more revenue to our businesses. Whether you are in retail, finance, e-commerce, SaaS, modeling your data properly means fewer headaches and better decisions. So, if you haven't started structuring your business data yet, now is the time. A little effort today will save you hours on reporting in the future and help unlock valuable insights that drive real business growth. Click the link in the description to this video and get started now with a set of pre-built industry-specific templates completely free. Well, or create your own. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, please do this. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to reporting? Let's talk about it in the comments. Plus, I will cover this in one of the future videos. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to AWACS YouTube channel for more practical analytic tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss out on new content. Thanks for watching. I'm Yevgen from AWACS, and as always, keep exploring your data. Stay curious and happy analyzing.